Good morning, students. Welcome in mathematics class. Here I am Upen Kumar Sinha, Department of Mathematics from Bhagwan Vidyapeeth Chhapra. Dear student, today we will continue the chapter Triangle for class 9. And in this class we will learn exercise 7.4 related to inequality property of triangle. Here the first question is, so that in a right triangle the hypotenuse is longest side. हम लोग को यहाँ शो करना है कि hypotenuse जो है वह longest side होता है. तो first of all we take a right angle, triangle ABC, in which angle B is right angle. We have to show AC is the longest side. What we have to show? We have to show AC is the longest side. Now explanation. In right triangle ABC, since angle B is equal to 90 degree, which is given, therefore angle A plus C is equal to 90 degree. As we know, in a right angle triangle, the sum of two acute angles is always 90 degree. So angle A is less than 90 degree and angle C is also less than 90 degree. So from 1 and 2, we conclude that angle B is greater than angle A and angle B is also greater than angle C. Now the opposite side of angle B is AC, so AC is greater than BC and also AC is greater than AB. As we know, opposite side of greatest angle is longest. Opposite side of greatest angle is always longest, hence AC is the longest side. Now question number 2. In question number 2, in the given figure, AB and AC are of the triangle ABC are extend to points P and Q respectively. Also angle PBC less than angle QBC. We have to show AC is greater than AB. हम लोग को शो करना है कि AC जो है वो AB से बड़ा है. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पर according to question, this one is the diagram. In triangle ABC, AB and AC are produced to P and Q. Angle PBC is less than angle QCB. We have to show that AC is greater than AB. So first of all, in triangle ABC, since AB produced to P, therefore angle PBC is equal to angle A plus angle ACB. Let equation 1 exterior angle property of triangle say. Also in triangle ABC, AC produced to Q. Therefore, ACB QCB is equal to angle A plus angle ABC. Angle QCB is equal to angle A plus ABC. Equation 2, exterior angle property of triangle, from exterior angle property of triangle. Now, since PBC is less than angle QBC given, we put the value of angle PBC from equation 1 and value of angle QCB from equation 2. Here angle A plus angle ACB is less than angle A plus angle ABC from equation 1 and 2. Now put angle A to A. Now we have angle ACB less than angle ABC. We can write it angle ABC is greater than angle ACB, or the opposite side of angle ABC, ABC is AC and ACB is AB. So AB is greater than AC. The side opposite to greater angle is longer. So this question is now shown. Now question number 3. In question number 3, given that angle B is less than angle A and angle C is less than angle D. We have to show that AD is less than BC. We have to show that AD is less than BC. Explanation. In triangle AOB, since angle B is less than angle A given, therefore OA is less than OB. Opposite side of a smaller angle is smallest, as we know. Now in triangle COD, since angle C is less than angle D, it is given, therefore OD is less than OC. Equation 2, opposite side of a smaller angle is the smallest. By adding 1 and 2, we got AB, OA plus OD is less than OB plus OC. OA plus OD is less than OB plus OC. When we add OA plus OD, we got AD. And OB plus OC we got BC. Thus, AD less than BC shown. Now question number 4. In question number 4, given that in quadrilateral ABCD, AB and CD are respectively the smallest and longest side. AB and CD are the smallest and longest side. That means AB is the smallest side and CD is the longest side of the quadrilateral. To show that angle A is greater than angle C and angle B is greater than angle D. Here we construct joint AC. Then in triangle ABC, since AB is less than BC, given AB is the smallest side, therefore we can write it BC is greater than AB or angle 1 is greater than angle 2. Opposite side of BC is 1 and opposite angle of BC is 1 and opposite angle of AB is 2. So angle 1 is less than angle 2. Equation 1, opposite angle of greater side is greatest. Also in triangle ACD, CD is greater than AD, which is given. Therefore angle 3 is greater than angle 4. Equation 2. The same reason, by adding 1 and 2, angle 1 plus 3 is greater than angle 2 plus 4. When we add angle 1 and 3, we got angle A. Angle A is greater than angle C. Similarly, we can show angle B is greater than angle D. So this question is again shown. Now, question number 5. In question number 5, in triangle PQR, PR is greater than PQ and PS is bisector of angle QPR given, and we have to prove that angle PSR is greater than angle PQS. So for proof it, in triangle PQR, since PR is greater than PQ given, therefore angle Q is greater than angle R. As we know, opposite angles of greater side is greatest. Suppose equation 1, since PS bisector of angle QPS, therefore angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Here no problem. Now in triangle PQS, QS produced to R, therefore angle PSR, angle PSR is equal to angle 1 plus angle Q, exterior angle property of triangle C. So we can write it angle Q is equal to angle PSR minus angle 1. Suppose equation 2. Also in triangle PSR, R is produced to Q. Therefore angle PSQ is equal to angle 2 plus angle R, exterior angle property of triangle C. Therefore angle R is equal to angle PSQ minus angle 2. We can write it also angle R is equal to angle PSQ minus angle 1. We can write instead of angle 2, angle 1, since angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It is given. Now from 1, angle Q is greater than angle R. We put the value angle Q and angle R from equation 2 and equation 3. When we put the value of angle Q and R angle PSR minus angle 1 is greater than angle PSQ minus angle 1. We cut angle 1 to angle 1 and thus angle PSR is greater than angle PQS. This question is proved. Okay, last question is so that of all the line segment drawn from a given point on it, the perpendicular line segment is the shortest. We had already proved it as result 5. So exercise number 7.4 is completed, my dear good student. I hope you enjoyed and you complete the exercise 7.4. We will meet again in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.